Hello everyone, welcome to Tumohar. If you are new to candle making or just looking to refine your craft, you are in the right place. In this video, we will walk through all the essential candle accessories you need to get started. Let's begin. First, let's talk about wax. Wax is the foundation of every candle. There are different types of waxes like soya wax, paraffin wax, bee wax, coconut wax, etc. Choose the one that fits your candle making goal. Which I prefer is the soya wax. This is two types of soya waxes present over here. The one is the soya chunks and the other one is the soya flakes. For the jar candle and for the pillar candle, we use different types of soya waxes. We will discuss all this in our next upcoming videos. Next, we have wicks. The right wick ensures a proper burn. Cotton wicks like these are the most common and work well for most waxes. There are different types of other wicks like wooden wicks. I haven't shown over here about the wooden wicks, but they gives a crackling sound and have the cozy vibes. There are also certain eco-friendly wicks which are made up of hemp or other natural materials. We usually consider wicks according to their size so that it has to match the diameter of our container or the mold. Here the other sizes of the wick we can see is this thread and the other one is this one. So we always choose the diameter of the wick according to the diameter of the container in which we are going to make the candle. Talking about the containers and the molds, if we prefer jar candles, then we can use heat resistant glasses or metal tins. For making unique shapes like pillar candles, or we would like to make succulent plants or some other molds like bubble candles, then we can use the silicone molds. So silicone molds are perfect for the pillar or decorative candles. We can also use these kinds of aluminium apparatus for the pillar candles. These are actually the silicone molds through which we can make unique shapes. So for the decorative small flowers, or we want to decorate our candles, we can use these small flower molds to build small flowers, and then we can decorate keeping the base of that container wax as the white and colorful roses over them. We can also use containers like this wooden heart shape. There are different kinds of shapes available in the market, like they are the oval, round, and these kinds of heart shapes. This is the ceramic container. We can use ceramic containers also to make the jar candles. I have made a few. I can show you. This is one of the candle I have made, and I have used shapes, different kinds of silicone molds to make this flower, and I have kept the base white. This candle is made up of the soya wax. This is the another one. I have kept the base white, and also I have kept the flowers of the white. Using the tin jar, I have created this beautiful candle where the base I have kept the white, and I have used the succulent molds to make these flowers. Usually I make the candles both scented and the non-scented. Then a scented candle wouldn't be complete without fragrance. You can use fragrance oils for a strong, long-lasting scent for a more natural aroma. So here are a few of the vendors from where I have bought these different kinds of fragrance oils. I have also used their trial packs before I have bought these colors fragrance oils in bulk. So we can see according to the need of the customers that what kind of fragrance oils we can use in making the scented candles. As I have shown you that I have kept the base of this candle as white, and I have shown you this succulence of the yellow color. So different types of colors are available for the coloring the waxes for the candles. They can be the dry powders, they can be the liquid ones, and also some of them are the oil soluble. So usually I uses liquid colors for now and till now, and they are working so well with this. And we need to take care of while dissolving them properly, because otherwise what happens that the candle shows spots, especially if we are using the we are making the pillar candles and using the mold we are preparing the candles. So we need to add them and we need to dissolve them properly. So we have to take care of that thing before pouring that into any mold. For extra beauty, dried flowers or mica powders or even a sprinkle of eco-friendly glitters can add a unique touch. So we can add them, and just we have to make ensure that any additives we are adding in the candle, they should be safe for burning. Next, wick holder and centering tool. It is a very simple but crucial tool. This keeps the wick at the center as our wax is set, so that it is properly centered and it should not give uneven burning. So I have here two types of wick holders. One is of metal and the other one is very simple, that is made up from the popsicle sticks. I bought this one packet of 20 to 30 rupees, and I just made hole in between them. So we can also bought them from the market. We can buy them online also. This also I have bought online. So they keep the wick at the center and help that in burning properly, and it prevents from the uneven burning of that candle. So we can use wick bars, like, or we can also use the other alternatives like clips or bars or chopsticks to hold the wick in place. So whenever we are making the candle, one of the very important thing or the key we can say is the temperature control. So we pour the wax, melted wax at a particular temperature so that our candle burns perfectly. So temperature control is the key in candle making. Temperature, the thermometer helps ensure the wax is at the right temperature before adding the fragrance and pouring. So a heat resistant pouring pitcher makes the process smooth and mess free. I have shown here This is the digital temperature measuring thermometer. So it is not that costly to buy, and besides that, the heat resistant pouring pitcher that we can use can be of steel or can be of metal, and we can usually what I am using is this plastic one, because the temperature at which soya wax melts is not that high that will affect this plastic container. And also one thing which I have observed, that while even if the candle when I pour the wax into the mold, after that some of the wax remains inside this. So when it is dry, it is very easy to remove from these plastic containers. So I prefer to use this one. And so if someone has noticed the uneven candle tops, then our heat gun is one of the best friends that can solve or resolve that problem. So it helps in smoothing all the imperfections and give our candle a polished look. So plus it's great for fixing small cracks or the sink holes that sometimes appear. So we can see that this is one of the heat guns that I have, and it is of about 200 volts and 300 watts. At the last, I would like to discuss about the double boiler. Wax is not directly melted, but it is melted indirectly. So I usually use LPG gas and these two containers to melt the wax. I use this stainless steel in which I add wax, and it melts in this wax container, and the other one is this aluminium container in which I add water. I make sure that I add the level of the water in such a way that it should not go inside it while it's boiling. And there you have it, the essential accessories every candle maker needs. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments. If you think I missed anything, drop it in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more candle making tips. Thank you for watching the mover, and happy candle making.